Hi there, little explorers. Are you ready for a fun adventure today? We're going to learn all about birds. There are so many kinds of birds, each with something special. Let's meet some of them together. Look, here's our first bird. This little one is a sparrow. Sparrows are tiny and love to hop around. They have brown feathers and make a sweet chirp chirp sound. Can you chirp like a sparrow? Whoa! Did you see that? This is a blue jay. Blue jays are known for their bright blue feathers and a little crown on their heads. They love to talk. They can make lots of different sounds. Can you flap your arms like wings and say squawk squawk like a blue jay? Oh, look by the water. These are ducks. Ducks love swimming and quacking. They have webbed feet that help them swim fast in the pond. Quack quack. Let's pretend to swim like a duck. Can you waddle like one too? Wow, check out this beautiful bird. It's a peacock. Peacocks are known for their big colorful feathers. Look at all those bright blues, greens, and purples. They like to show off their feathers by fanning them out. Can you spread your arms wide like a peacock's tail? Do you see this tiny bird? It's a hummingbird. They're super small and can flap their wings really, really fast. Hummingbirds love to drink sweet nectar from flowers. Buzz buzz. Let's flap our wings fast like a hummingbird. Now look up in the sky. That's an eagle. Eagles are big and strong. They have sharp eyes to spot their food from way up high. They soar through the sky with their big wings. Spread your arms out and pretend to soar like an eagle. Wow, we've learned about so many birds today. Sparrows, blue jays, ducks, peacocks, hummingbirds, and eagles. Birds come in all shapes and sizes, but they're all amazing. Next time you go outside, see if you can spot any birds where you live. Thanks for exploring with me. Bye-bye.